Agikumbwira MICETHO ya wathani wa Rais Ruto nonanitie kugwata mbaru BUKATHA RWANGI Mîcetho mubukioneka weru ne burukagita ka Mîcetho ya Chan aria ethirite agikira achethi ba Harambee Stars mawirane na kuba mbecha baribari na kinya wirane bwa nyombo ndi Rais akioneka kubangira Mîcetho kinya AFCON 2027 na kinya ugi batikurirwa mutugikare na rugono ruru rwege mubango jo Rais kiri Mîcetho ndi na MICETHO yotongere boy.
And you guys played a superb game. Pongezi sana.
Ni migambo ya Rais William Ruto kagiteneka Mîcetho ya Chan arathirikari yawe yonanirie wirubune neba kugwata mbaru Mîcetho jojo mobira na mbere ya Mîcetho jojo ethera jokiambire Rais Ruto arethira agitirimana na timu ya Kenya ya Harambee Stars nethira kiba mawirane nkabo kile achethi bau akiuga timu ikaewa kigenega shilingi milioni 1 o Mîcetho kire Mîcetho jura bagashinda na mabangane niyo Mîcetho akethira kiamukira kigenega shilingi nusu milioni wirane bura bojurire na gate ka Mîcetho yenderete Rais Ruto aratirimana na timu ije kairongera kigena kiawe auga timu ya Kenya yashinda timu ya Zambia kongera milioni 1 ithire Kenya milioni 2.5 na Mîcetho jo Kenya regoshinda neju yatumire Kenya kire quarter final na nkuru kethira kiongera wirane boy kaire akiuga bashinda quarter final kenda beta semi final akao Mîcetho shilingi milioni 1 na nyombere na nyomba ijire cha kumama kinya kethira Kenya nethire kita mubira jo kire timu ya Madagascar kire mikwanju ya penalty indi atabatigire njara inderi nethire akiuga thirikari we kethire kibarira nyomba iwa baete wirane o Mîcetho shilingi milioni 1 na bobethire bakiongera shilingi milioni wenge mwere guru
ukipita quarters hapo unapata milioni 1 yako na affordable house 2 bedroom. In affordable housing costs 2 million shillings. We are going to pay for you half that amount.
Na kiremianka eje dhatu ya Rais Ruto nethirite akiona negwikira Mîcetho mono.
The bottom of my heart, I don't think we would have been able to achieve and make those small steps in the right direction if we didn't have you guys behind us to support us.
I've been in the national team for the last 15 years. Hatujaipata support kama hii.
Rais Ruto atetigere gukiria Mîcetho au ni arakinya tegete Mîcetho ya kumatuka naja akiuga RWANGI rwa Mîcetho kire thirikari yawe ni rwithirite rukiongera kigena kio bira bashindaga nkathi mwanya bethagira bakiona mugana jwa magana jana kuma kirigana.
We have increased prices by 400%. So the ministry has scheduled payouts amounting to Kenya shillings 55 million for recent sporting events.
Na kenda kuagiriria Mîcetho Rais Ruto nethirite akiuga thirikari yawe niitite na mbere gukiria na gwaka mono bieni bia Mîcetho guntu mwanya kiri mugongo jwa Kenya.
And I have already instructed the ministry and we have agreed to build another 25 stadia across the country.
Muthiene tutegete Mîcetho jwa mubira jwa AFCON jwa mwaka jwa ngiri 2027 Rais Ruto naugite Kenya ikaibanga bokung'ana guchetha Mîcetho jo gutigera kagitene kawikethire gichinda na akiuga bobu kombekana uria ambiritie skuru cha gwitana Mîcetho maturene na kinya akiuga thaiji bakethira bagitegera achethi kuma maturene guntu mwanya kiri mugongo jwa Kenya.
The process of raising our team for AFCON 2027 begins today. And I have agreed with FKF that that process is going to start from the grassroots, from the bottom up, to build for us a solid, professional team that will make us win AFCON in 2027.
KIRI potrade to shawero weekendi rea kwa rieto ni motugen kare.